You're welcome. Here we have another project video. So this is vehicle service booking and billing. So it's a web application project. In this video, let us understand how to create this dynamic website in ASP.NET with C# and backend SQL Server. So here we'll explain you everything step by step, like how you can do all the project. So we know like vehicle service. So in order to give the vehicle service, you need to go to the service center early in the morning, and then you have to stand in the queue and you have to give for the service. But now everything is going online. Even we can make this also online. So this is the logic. And also what are the spares they'll use for the vehicle and what are the services do, we can raise the online bill. So that for each employee, whenever you add the product to the vehicle, you can raise the bill. So therefore a combined bill will give the complete picture, like what is the total. So therefore it will reduce the burden on the service center also. So if you are doing a computer science course and you need to do a project as per your curriculum, even this title is a good, and if you feel like it's better, you can always choose this title and then you can do. And when you're planning, so you need to plan what are the things you can do. So therefore within your short time, so you got able to complete this project. Now let's discuss what are the options we can add in this particular project. So generally a web application project will have basically two module, but you can make any number of modules. That is a different issue. But generally you can have one admin module. So admin for the company to manage their activity. Other one here is the customer, okay, because the customer have the vehicle, so he has to bring the vehicle to the service center. So in the admin, we can provide like all the options which are very much required for this particular project. So now what are the things you can provide? So here is a service type. What are the services we provide? Service type. Then service details, individual service. Right, then you have to enter the spares actually. What are the spares available? Spares details. So therefore you can know the price. Right. So next, when the customer sign up, they can log in. So they can go to the main page. There you can see that service details. What are the services available? List they can see. And what are the service they want, they can apply for it. Okay. So which date they want to give the service, they can choose the service. Choose and then apply service. Then for that particular service, they can make the payment. Then you can see the bill view. So the company will raise the bill view. Then again the payment. So complete payment you can do this. Now here side customer list. So who are the customers sign up? Therefore you can have a customer list. Then service list, service vehicle list. Vehicle list. Who are all apply for the service. Then advance payment list. Payment list. I think this much will do the job. So when you go in real time, so we'll have more options, but here this is discussing the basic things. Okay, these are the things you need to add up in the project. Now I'll show you like in the project what have we done. So what are the options are there. So let's look at the demo. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Also you click on iBricks tutorials, then click videos. Here you can find multiple project videos. Therefore if you watch some more videos, then you will get a clear picture which one is good for you and what are the options are provided in each project. And when you're watching the different videos, we are explaining one or the other concept in each project. Therefore when you combine this, you can make a better project. Therefore always watch some more videos and then get a clear picture. We also have videos like how to make the project also. So please browse the videos when you have time. Now I'll move to this Visual Studio. So here is the admin options. So as we discussed, vehicle type, what are the vehicle types are there, the corresponding list, spare part details and the corresponding list, service charges and the corresponding list, and the feedback. If the customer sent the feedback, that we can able to read it here. So this is a customer list and this is the booking list, this is the advance payment list, then the billing. So okay, raise the bill for the customer. Now if you go to customer main, so here is a vehicle type list, what are the vehicles they do service, spare parts list, what are the spare parts available, service charges, basic charges, then book service. So the customer can book the service for the particular date. Then this is the booking list, whatever the customer booked, that list. Then the billing list, so customer can see the bill because they give the vehicle service, so for after service they'll raise the bill here. Then the feedback form, right? So the feedback can sent by the customer. So these are the options which are provided over here. So now what we'll do is we'll run the project, and here you can see that tables. So if you expand the connection string, data connections, and this is the database, and if you expand tables, so these are the tables which are using in this particular project. Right, now let's select the project and we can run this. So this is the main page, default.axpx. So we can have some pictures, some text and all. Okay, fine. So next we can continue. So here is admin login. So when you go to admin login, you have to enter the admin login credentials. So now it logs in and will come to main page. So here vehicle type. So what are the types? We do service, so therefore there is a type. And if you go to list, so here we'll have a list, two-wheeler, and we do car also. So therefore we can write as a car. LME, light motor vehicle. So then spare parts. So if I go to list, you can see that okay, there is one headlight we are sorry. So we can go to that spare parts and we can enter car details. So here is spare part name. Okay, so headlight. So generally headlight will go headlight front. Detail. So I'll take this one only, headlight front. I'll write as FS full set. Right. So then I have to enter the price here. So it costs around 4,500. So we can apply photo for this. So we can choose the file here. So choose file. So then it will take to the where the file is available. You just go there, select the file here. Then you have to save this. So record saved successfully. Fine. So that's how we can enter the spare part. Now if you go to list, so you have a headlight front, car headlight 4,500. Next service charges, I just go to list, basic charges and the complete this thing. So now if I go to car water service, okay, let me enter car service, car basic service. So here I'll change spares water service. So these are things included. So this will cost 1,000 rupees. So done. So the record created. Now the customer has to log in and then they need to book. Okay, so here are some customers already there. So what we can do is we can copy the address here. So main address. Then take one more tab. So continue. So if you go to customer login, here is sign up. You can sign up. So if you already sign up, so you can go to this A1 and then A1. So login. Here they can see the type car LME, and then spare part list they can able to see. And if you click select, you can see that the details of the spare parts and the picture also can able to view it. Then service charges list. What are service charges? Now based on that, the customer can book because it's online. So customer can sit anywhere, so they can check out all the services and they can book the services. Okay. So when you search for it, so you can see that this is a car service. Okay, one basic service. Then you have to give all the details here. Okay. So therefore, vehicle number, customer name. Let's say customer name Ravi. mobile number, service detail. Okay, so basic service with headlight change. Which date you want, so therefore you can choose the date. So, okay, we can take 5/5/2021. So that is done. So then you have advance payment here. So how much advance payment you want to make 1,000 rupees. Here is the card, and then we can say it's the dummy payment, so therefore paid using CAN card. Transaction number, right? So remark any. So if there is no remark, okay, there is no remark, you can write. So here is the booking number and vehicle number. All the details are there here. Now you can go to booking list. What are the bookings you've done? Oh, sorry, it's then the billing list. So here you can have billing. So this is the old bill. Now what we can do is we can come back here, booking list. So you can see that this is the customer booking. Right, then we can see the advance payment list. So this is the advance payment you received. Next is the customer billing. Now you have changed the thing and all, so therefore what is the service charges? So this is 1,000 rupees, then this is 4,500, total now 5,500. Bill details, okay, headlight changed. Then you can save the bill, that is say changed. Now if you go to customer and if you go back to home and if you see the billing list, you can see that there is a new bill here, totally 5,500 rupees. Now you need to select this bill and the bill will come. So therefore when you're collecting your vehicle, you need to make the payment and then you have to collect your vehicle. So this is the billing list, again bill will show. Then the feedback form. So what do you think about this service? Okay, about service. So well done. Keep it up. So now we can say save. So this will go to the admin. So what are the feedback you given? So if you go to feedback list, you can see that about service on that particular date it's sent. So therefore you can read the feedback from the customer. So therefore these are the options which are there in the admin and these are the options which are there in the customer. So both are communicating, so therefore it's working fine. That's how you need to make the project. I hope you understand the whole concept of online vehicle service and how you can make the complete project. So keep watching. As I told already, please go to our channel for more videos. You have a lot of things related to the computer science. Particularly projects, particularly how you can learn the language and then make the project. So all related to the projects, we have a lot of videos. Please watch them. Also write us in the comment box what you feel about this video, whether how it's useful for you or you are looking something else. So let me know what you're thinking. Thank you.